Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power lift gate, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, security alarm, compass, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.